Oh, what up? It's me. Before we started, I wanna talk a few things. First of all, yes, I have mic, but I'm using microphone because my earphone is broken. So I don't use my mic. The reason I buy this so that I can hear my audio. Yeah, maybe later. Not now. When I can with that. Oh. Oh, cool. Okay. And today I will be unboxing it says very large, but it's cool. Alright. Gay. It's not gay. Gay. G. One. G102 Prodigy. I want to talk Logitech. Oh my god, it's so late right now, but that's okay. Let's record it. Why not? What? So here it is. It's a mouse, Mickey Mouse. No, it's not Mickey Mouse. It's a gaming mouse. It's the gaming mouse. So when you plug this, it's gonna be glowing, but you can see right here, it's only blue. It's all good. Yeah, that's the front of the box. Oh my god. That's the side of the box. It's only say G. One. Zero. Two Prodigy. Yeah, it's say that. And the back one is you read that. I don't wanna. I mean, who wants to read anyway? I don't wanna read it for you. You read it for yourself. You buy it maybe. I don't know. And the other side is some bunch of layer again, and the bottom one, the product. Okay, and then there was a top on and fax, all that, and the top one is empty. It's blue and black. It's like the same last video. They're not racist. They not racist. They not. So let's get inside the box, shall we? Cool. It's all good. Well. Here it is. The piece of I don't know. Okay. Oh. Cool. It smells good, my boys. Okay, here we go. That's just the mouse and the cable. It's not wireless. Alright. And there was bunch of letter again. I will not read it. I mean, what would you input a safety competition? Just buy this thing and then you read it. I mean, what I have to do to read it for y'all? Look at that. It's Chinese, Japanese, I don't know. Oh, there was Indonesia too. Hi. I don't know. I'm not gonna read it. Here we go. Oh my god. Okay, it's classic, you know. Oh, it's a little bit damaged, but that's okay. Oh, it's messed up. Wow. How about we plug this to our charging USB. Cool. Maybe it will be glowing. Let's test that out. Okay. Okay. Cool. Oh, what's wrong? It's not. They lie. So that's it. That's the end of the unboxing. Thanks for watching. I'm in love with an outside. There was a song outside, but you can hear it. All hail Uwe.